I'm using an old tailgate plastic cover to make a new panel for the side of the car that's currently missing, so it gives it a bit of better look. I'll just show you in the car. So that's covers this. That's the side that I do have. I'll make a replica of that for this side, and then we'll see how we go. Okay, so before I start cutting anything, I put a couple of screws through spots that aren't going to be obvious to see. That's like next to the seat, between the console and the seat, you won't see that. And that's tucked up right up in the front, so you won't see that. That's just to hold this in place. Now I've outlined it with a lead pencil. Oh, you can see it there. There. I was trying to cut it with a razor blade. Figured if I go over it enough times I'd break through, but I've gone over that for so many times and it's just taking a long time. I figured I'll give the jigsaw a go. Should make this job a lot quicker. It's working out really well. And I can turn with the jigsaw, makes life easier. Shouldn't take me long to cut this out at all. There you go. How you like them apples? Took me probably about 10 minutes to cut that. Now I'm going to just put it in the car quickly, see how it looks, make some screw hole points to where I want it, sand it back and paint it. There you go, DIY cover in. So I know it's not perfect because it doesn't really match up around here, but tried to keep the line, so that's looking good. With the wrap the paint, keeps it looking kind of like it belongs there. They got the one screw on the front there that holds it all together. Just got one here, is just a guide to keep that from sliding all the way down. And on the back, see, it comes in there, plays the part. You wouldn't really pick it. I might find the screw for there because that's where I first tried to put a screw in. But you know, trying to use genuine screws as well to make it look the part. Put one in anyway. Hey, how do you like that?